So, good day everyone. We are a group of students. My name is Darren Q. Fernandez.
And I'm Hani J. Bunghanoy.
I'm Joy Grace De La Rosa.
And I am Elaine D. Enriquez.
So we are currently in Kapatagan, Alicia to gather information by interviewing a PWD student as part of our academic requirements. So let's go.
Angel Fernandez is an 11 years old student who graduated from grade 6 in the school year 2025 to 2026. She was born with absent lower legs, but despite this challenge, her determination continues to inspire everyone around her. At the age of 8, she received help from Dr. Marlene Hopper D. Hassem to have prosthetic legs that truly helped her. This became possible because of her mother, who posted online expressing her hope that her daughter would receive artificial legs. Her post gained attention and someone tagged Dr. Marlene Hopper D. Hassem. Because of this, Angel received the free prosthetic legs. Dr. Hassem even posted a picture of Angel before and after wearing the prosthetic legs with the caption, "Karong adlaw, magbag-o na ang kinabuhi ni Angel." Uban ang atong partners from the Tizo Shape Foundation, gisukatan na siya for prosthetic legs. In about a month, she will finally receive the legs that will take her to more places. Dr. Hasim added, "When I met her for the first time, I was instantly amazed by her sunny disposition. The way she smiled and greeted me reflected the inner strength she possesses in the face of challenges. Angel's unwavering spirit teaches us the importance of never giving up. Despite obstacles, this young girl embraces life with a smile and a belief that everything is possible."
Number 1, what type of disability do you or your child have?
Foot stamp bilateral po.
Okay po. So, among number 2 question is, what challenges do you face in school daily?
Mga bullying po kanang ila kong ginignan, manananggal daw, nano, dayon, putok daw sa lupi, dayon, mo rin ang ginaingon.
So, among number 3 po na question is, how do teachers support you?
Kanang pag muhila ko na mga nagbully, ilang ginapatawag dan ilang giingnan, di na lang daw mausab kay di daw maayo.
So, ang next na question, Jill, is kanang what subject is the most difficult and why?
Math po, kay dagang kay siya kwati-kwati na, budget siya mga times, ta budget siya ginadivide, makalibog kayo, pero paningkamutan gyapon na ako kay para matama jud yung answer.
Thank you. So, ang last is kanang how do classmates treat you sa kanang school? Kanang dili man jud ta maka-istorya nga like all your classmates bullied you. So, ang uban isa man ang treatment nila sa imuha.
Ang uban usahay si sila yaga-yaga, ang uban pod maay kay sila sa kuha.
Next question is, do you receive any special assistance in school?
Kanang mga kuan lang o kanang mga
Hinabang?
like school assistance para sa imuha.
Scholarship?
Kanang mga tag sila kwarta. Like katong nakakuan ka og grade 6 diba valedictorian ka na sila kanang gihatag sa mga cash assistant Wala? Okay, thank you. So next.
What problems do you encounter during exams?
Kanang mga lisod ng mga pangutana sa mga math, pero inasolve pa para matama.
Next. How do you or your child stay motivated in school?
Kung unsa man ka na kanang na-motivate ka sa eskwelahan nimo. Kanang unsa naka-motivate nimo sa school even though daghan kay mga bullying sa around sa school, unsa naka-motivate nimo nga mugo gyapon ka sa school?
Maningkamot ko para makatabang ko sa akong mga pamilya.
Next is, what support do you receive from your family?
Kanang pag-atiman nila sa kuha dahil mga pagikugman niya. Dayon, si mama ritig atiman ako kay si papa ang siya may trabaho kay para mabuhi ni o mahatag ang mga panghinanglan.
Okay, thank you. Next, what advice can you give to other students like you?
Ako ra silang i-encourage nga maningkamot sila. Dayon, pasagdaan na lang mga bully, ihimo lang nila ng inspirasyon silang kaugalingon para mas maningkamot sila.
Okay, thank you.